Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. So, if you just stopped by, I would be more than happy if you click on the subscribe button and join the family. Today, I'm participating in a challenge called as Useful DIY Challenge or Trash to Treasure DIY Challenge, and this is hosted by Momdas Life Handmade and DIYs at Schwoven's Nest. If you haven't already been to their channels, I'll leave the link of their channels in the description box as well as the playlist of all the participants. Yeah, please be sure to visit their channels as well as the playlist. The title says Useful DIY Trash to Treasure. I'm going to use one of the packaging box that I got from Amazon, and I'm going to use this and convert that into something useful. For that, I'm going to use some of the shiny wintry sheer ribbon and as well as some of the tissue paper. So with all this, I'm going to decorate this box, and without any further ado, let's get started. So this is the final result of the Trash to Treasure Useful DIY project, and this is my cardboard box that came in packaging, and I actually covered it with tissue paper, and I covered this blue snowflakes sheer ribbon around the box. So, and I also created a bow with that ribbon, and then I stuck one of the vase filler silver colors, so in the center, just to give like a snow effect to it. And I basically, the theme or the idea here is to create like a box which has snowballs in it, and then we are selling their snowballs. That's the theme I wanted to create here. So I just stuck some of the white ornaments, which is like almost like a snowball, and I also got a few of the tennis balls from the kids section, and I stuck it with school glue and some of the snowflakes on top of it to just give like their snowballs. And I also stuck two of the snowflakes in the center on the both corners maybe of the box to just give like a box filled with snowballs and snowflakes, and we are selling it for 5 cents. And I